What a difference a week makes when it comes to Ozempic and my trials and tribulations with it. Last week I talked about how my stomach was really upset. And again, I don't know if it's the Ozempic or there's a flu going around. I know there's people in my office that have had issues with their stomachs and things like that. So I don't know which one it was. However, I know this, that I started getting some sleep again Sunday, Monday this week. I'm recording this on a Wednesday, and it's really like night and day as for how I'm feeling. I mean, I had so much energy back in the gym today. I'm still having something to eat in the morning. I haven't started going back to my fasting routine. I like to fast. I like to do 16, 18 hours of fasting. And I haven't had a chance to jump back in. Friday is my goal for the fasting. So I've been having a coffee at my house, and I've been having a, like a small egg bite or like a little small omelet, just a cheese omelet or something like that to get my day going. However, I look forward to try to get back to my intermittent fasting routine, which hopefully will happen again on Friday. But I've had 2-3 good nights of sleep. I've had so much energy at the gym. Last week with how I was feeling, so what would happen would be in the morning, my stomach would be, really upset. And, as my day went on, I felt better and better and better. And often it felt better with food. So I thought maybe that was the issue. And I started eating more food in the morning and even at lunch. So now I'm back to, like I said, something light in the morning. I'm having a protein shake for lunch. I'm not getting enough protein, so I'm taking a protein shake for lunch and then having a dinner. And again, I'm noticing now I'm eating less. So the Ozempic is working. I'm on 2 units. Also, the other thing was I only could have 1 unit because it was on back order, because somehow Hollywood needed Ozempic, I guess. And so that means like type 2 diabetics didn't get it. So yeah, it's a touchy subject with me. However, the fact of the matter is I got back up to the 2. It blasted my system again. I don't know if it was a stomach flu or if it was actually the Ozempic, yet to be seen. But now this week it seems to be back to normal, and I'm come back around, and I'm really happy, and I'm super excited now. It seems to be working how it's supposed to be working. So, it's like anything else with your body, and it's going to affect everybody differently. But it's like anything else with your body. You've got to trial and error this to find out exactly what's going on. But you also have to keep in touch with your doctor. And I can't stress that enough. You've got to be in touch with your doctor because you've got to keep him or her up to date as to exactly what you're doing when it comes to this stuff. So don't be a hero. Don't go out experimenting on your own. Don't do it black market. Go through a doctor. Get with a good doctor. Partner with your doctor. And let's see how this works out. I will get back to you after I get a few more days under me, and let's really see what it was. And I'm hoping that what might have just been a stomach flu, but so far so good, and I'm starting to drop weight, so I'm happy about that. Let's rock and roll, baby. Let's go.